Railbrook, the elderberry people, they had a sale, and so I got the gummies, and I also got I figured I'd just treat us with some of the elderberry lemonade. Well, it's not really lemonade, it's elderberry lemonade. And I got 6 bottles. And did you see how this box came all beat up? Right. So you didn't know what it was. Okay, yeah. Yeah. But it was this box not in good condition. So each bottle is wrapped. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. They added some elderberry tea bags, complimentary, and in this cute little bag, along with a stirrer. Yeah, that was nice. Also, they added a Christmas card. Thank you, Miss Janice. As a matter of fact, there's 2 stirrers. Great. I said these are stirrers. I gotta check and see what they are. So there's 2 elderberry gummies and 6 elderberry lemonade. There was a sale. I think I ordered this during Black Friday. I searched the Railbrook site to try to find out exactly what these 2 things are. They bend. It might be honey. I'm not sure. For my tea. I'll try to find out. When I do, I'll let you know. Well, you guys, I did call. And I found out that these 2 sticks are not stirrers, but they're actually elderberry honey. I hope they're really good, really good. I look forward to everything that I've received. I look forward to drinking the elderberry lemonade and also using the elderberry honey in my elderberry tea. We just love these products. Yeah, you want to be in Granny video? Hi. That is a pretty backdrop.
Actually, I might cover that backdrop too much down. No, I'm talking about when, if you feel you're going to put somebody in the chair for a picture.
You gonna help Daddy? You gonna help Daddy set up for the photo shoot tomorrow? Isaiah. What happened? What happened? You see Gracie? You see Gracie? You never know how to stop it.
the wrong person.
Hmm? Looking at that. It's warmer in here just from the backdrop. See that? What? It looks so warm over there. Doesn't it, Isaac? Look warm, ain't it? It was cold when we came in here. Wow, you get to have so much fun when your daddy's setting up for the photo shoot.